Welcome to Profiletraders. This is Reza, and you're listening to my market analysis for Monday the 8th. As Friday, the close was extremely negative with a very clear trending day to the downside. Overnight showed sign of a pause in terms of further liquidation coming into the market, and the fact that we did not get follow through and we stopped at a very significant area of support 2065. The buyers gained confidence, and after we tested yesterday or overnight middle range, we got a reversal and a push to the upside, and we were able to capture this long. Can we now say that anything constructive to the upside has been put into place? Absolutely not. The main resistance remains at 2083.5, 2085, and for anything to the upside to gain momentum, that level needs to break. If we do break that level, then obviously there is a possibility to go delete the part above the profile and eventually hit even again 2100. As for the downside, we definitely must now break 2065, and if we do break it and there is follow through to the downside, there is nothing significant before 20 and 40. So market now is in a state of a bracket going from 2065 to 2085, and it will rotate within that range while fading the tops and fading the bottoms until it starts to build enough momentum below one of the two parameters so that we can see which side it's going to exit. Right now, impossible to tell. As for oil, nothing really major, just the standard back and forth. It has found a nice level of support right around 50. So we in and out of 50 as some buying come in, push it up, and then there's further selling coming in, push it back down, and as you can see, the close is right around 50. The main area of support still remains at 49, or I should say at 49 even. For any further break to the downside, 49 is to be broken, and I do not believe that anything below 49 will last for long, because I believe around $50 a barrel with all that is going on geopolitically, with the refinery problems in the US, the cold, etc., that oil should be much cheaper than $49, but we will see. As of right now, your minor support is at 49.85. Since the bottom of the profile is not well developed, overnight can definitely go down if we do break that level and trade all the way to 49.40 level. But the main one to break is 48.99, 49. As for the upside, of course, today's high now becomes a major resistance. We need to clear that in order to go hit the POC at 51.05, and then you have 51.20 and 51.40. As for gold, it didn't do nothing because urine didn't do nothing either. We are still inside yesterday's range, and therefore now market can easily be bracketed for a breakup or a breakdown trade. Below 62 is our breakdown, but knowing that 1158 is a very strong level of support, therefore this break to the downside may be short-lived. As for the upside, once we clear 1175, next upside objective is 1180, and after that all these singles up there are target. I see absolutely nothing bearish with gold, except that it is so ridiculous and so visible how much the Federal Reserves are making sure that this asset doesn't gain momentum, because that's their biggest fear, that people start to take their money out of the assets that these bastards control and put it under an asset that they do not control, such as gold. So watch this bracket, and tomorrow we shall see which side will break. This was Reza with Profile Traders. If you like to join us, all my courses and 1 year to my trading room membership is now offered for $550. www.profiletraders.com. Thank you for listening.